Hello. So a little bit of backstory about my hair. I have naturally medium to light blonde hair. This has faded out for a few weeks. I've been using Overtone Extreme Pink and Vibrant Purple. I mix them together. I do 2 parts of the pink, 1 part of the purple to give it kind of like a dark purple pink look. So it's obviously now faded to like a lilac-y, like a dusty purple color. But today, we're not going to be using the regular coloring conditioner. We're going to be using this daily conditioner in the extreme pink color. It says that you can apply it on wet or dry hair. I personally am going to do it on it dry just because it said that it's going to give it a brighter color. So I put some in a bowl, and I had picked up one of these little applicator brushes from, I want to say Ulta. So yeah, I'm going to start by sectioning my hair so I can get it all even across my hair. I have these little clips for sectioning, and if you do this, you're gonna wanna use gloves. So I'm gonna section my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so basically what I did was I took the whole right side of my hair and just put it aside in a pony for now. And you can't really see, but in the back, I've pinned back the back portion of my left side. Because what I'm going to be doing is this whole front section, I'm actually going to be splitting it in 2 and then doing each section in 2 parts, if that makes sense. So I'm going to split this top part away from the bottom part so that I can get underneath, like by the roots and everything, just to make sure it's all even. Okay, so now that we look super awesome, I have this under part, I guess, under piece, and I have the top of it clipped back because what I'm going to do is I'm going to be basically taking the brush, putting the color on to make sure it gets all coated. So let's give this a go. And of course I forgot to put a towel down on the floor. Hopefully it doesn't get on the white rug. So I'm going to be brushing this on small little pieces. And as Brad Mondo would say, put that shit on. Don't be stingy with it because you're gonna want all that coverage. Make sure it's as bright as possible. And with this stuff, normally they want you to use your hands to get it all in there. So I'm gonna kind of use the glove to like smudge it in. Okay. So, and also if you're doing this, make sure to get the underside. I skipped that the first time I did this a year ago and it was really bad and patchy. All right, so I'm really bad at talking while I do this. So I'm going to finish all of my head, all of the sections, show you what it looks like, and then we'll rinse it out and see the results. And I'm back. Slight camera angle change. Everything is coated on both sides. And honestly, I should just leave it like this. This is a look right here. But yeah, it says to wait only 5 minutes. It probably took me about 25 minutes to do my whole head, but I'm still gonna give it a few minutes for these last few pieces that I did. And we're going to rinse it out and we're probably gonna blow dry it so we can see the results. So I will be back. Hey guys, so I'm back and I decided to move into the other room with the lighted mirror because the bathroom lighting is really shitty. Anyway, these are the results and shit, I am digging this piece underneath. I don't know why it's so much brighter, but I'm really digging it. For some reason, the other side stayed a little more of the dusty purple. It didn't take to the pink as much. I'm not really sure why. But either way, I am really pleased with the results. And if you want to color your hair and you don't want to damage it, definitely try Overtone. I've been using it for about a year now. I tried blue, I've done purple, now I'm doing pink. And it's great because it's just a conditioner, so it makes your hair really soft and it's a temporary color, so it does wash out. Anyway, I'm really happy with the results and thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.